So we're going to be talking about one-step addition or subtraction equations. So this is a formula that I like to teach people to do, and if you follow this, it really does help you to see the problems the way you need to. So what I teach people to do is that this is an equation. An equation has this side plus this side. So what you want to do is think about dividing your equation down the middle. And I'm going to use a different color. So you've divided down, you have this half of the equation and this half of the equation. The goal of your game here is to get A all by itself. So you want to get rid of anything that is attached to A. Now you may be able to look at this problem and go, I know what the answer is. That's awesome. However, you're going to get problems that you can't do that. So this, by practicing this formula and this formatting, you will do so much better later when you get bigger problems. And you'll be able to check it mentally because you know you're right. So we want to keep A. So we want to get rid of everything attached to it. And the way you get rid of it is you have to do the opposite to the other side. You're moving it across by doing the opposite. So we want to get rid of plus 4, so we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. Whatever you do to one side, it's a teeter-totter. So we cross that out and we get A is equal to 8. Again, we draw a line down our number sign. We want to keep C, so we kind of cover that up. We want to get rid of 7. It's attached with addition. So you want to subtract 7 to get rid of it. And C equals negative 1, because 6 take away 7 is negative 1. If you do not know your integers, you can watch my integers video and it'll explain how to do problems where you go over the number line. This one over here, it doesn't matter which side the letter is on. You look to the side with the letter. So we look over here. We want to keep Q. We want to get rid of negative 5. The opposite of negative 5 is plus 5. So we would essentially, you are adding 5 to that side, but you're getting rid of it and adding it to the other. And so you have Q equals 19. And V on this side, we want to get rid of minus 30 by plussing it to both sides. Again, if I have plus 30 minus 22, that sometimes helps to write it in the normal direction, keeping the signs, and you end up with 8. So I end up with plus 8 as my answer. So that's an example of a one-step equation. The next one we will talk about is one-step multiplication and division. Thank you.